This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Morning, guys. It is October 17th, 2018. This one here, I gotta go change out a furnace, so it's early in the morning here. I'm heading there. Gonna take out an old gas furnace, a lowboy, and replace it with a conventional furnace. I'm gonna have to spin the furnace a quarter turn, so I left the dog home because I'm gonna be on that job all day. I gotta do some transitions on a supply and on a return. I mean, it's not gonna be an easy one, but we'll get it done. We'll get it done today. So it's early morning. We're heading there now. I should get there around 7 o'clock. Rip and tear, and then the other one comes probably about 9. And we'll start putting it together. Try to get you some shots. Like I said, I left the dog home today. There's no sense of leaving her in the truck all day. It's a little cool out. Ooh, I don't know what that was. Some kind of roadkill. Alright, I'll try to get you some shots. There it is. We're going to take it out. We're going to spin the new one. Right, the supply will go in here. And I'll bring the return down and tie it in. Oh, that's a little boy. She's coming out. This little sucker. Yeah. So I'll start ripping and tearing. Like I said, I'm going to spin it quarter turn. Put my jumper on it so I can see when the power goes off. I'll be able to see that light. We'll just go down. That's not it. That's not it. Nope. Nope. There's the one right there. My light's not blinking no more, so I know the power's off. Number 5. Alright, there's a little tip. That's how I do it. I ended up putting 2 hangers on this side, 2 hangers in the back there. Put a couple of hangers here so it don't drop, and then I just cut a section out like 1 inch. This was kind of rotted anyway, and I slid it right out. So once I get the new one in, we'll do our thing. Look at this old flipping beast. Old stack switch. Thing seems to be in relatively good shape considering the age of it. It's a Williamson. Put the burner on it. But anyway, I gotta rework the gas pipe, and guys got some crazy gas pipe going on over there. I don't know what's up with that. That don't look all that kosher, that other stuff, but I'll have to talk to him about cleaning that up too. Comes over to this mess. A little scary looking. But I'm here to put the furnace in. Get all this stuff outside by the by my truck, so when the new furnace comes, I can get rid of it all in the guy's truck. It'll be a long day for me. Got all the S-lock on there. Put some patch panels in here. Patch panel there. So once I get the furnace in, I'll be able to transition a supply and put a filter rack and bring the return down. The return is going to be 10 by 20 coming down, tying into the side. Patch here. guys, I got the return there. See, I just got to pan it in. The pan in the supply. Well, that's the way it's gonna sit, like that. I'm gonna bring the gas pipe over and tie it in. The smoke pipe's gonna have to wrap around here. That'll work. We'll manage. Do something with that. I'm gonna tie all this in yet. All this panning. It's a lot of work, Mama. A lot of work. Turn box there for the filter. It'll be nice. It's all tied in good there with the S-lock. Start doing my panels. Just cut my piece. I slide it in and I mark it. There. 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 And there. And I'll show you what I do when I pull it out. I mark the end so I can cross break it with the bender, Hensley bender. I use the S-lock, you know, and I can see my mark, and I mark over an inch, you know. That'll be the bend over piece. Same thing with this side, see? I marked over an inch, then that will be bent over like that. Okay, so I'll cut this. You know, I'll cut this, and then I'll cross break it with that tool right there, so it don't pop. Alright guys, I got the 3 sides done, and then that's my front piece there. What I do is I bend this lip out. I bend these 2 lips out and put the top and the bottom in, and then, you know, I'll pop these, once these are bent out, I get the piece in, I can bend it back and screw them in. It's, that's how I do it. Once I get it all together, I'll screw it in good and tape it. It'll be nice. But that's how you gotta do it. You gotta work it in sections. I usually mark it on the inside so all the cross breaks go out. Looks better like that. I'm not gonna do the return yet, but before I do that, I'll get a bunch of screws in there. Get as many screws in as I can, plus the tape, and then we'll do the return. So then I can bend this flange back and screw it in. That's how I do it. Alright guys, I got it all done. I got the supply and return all done. All taped up. I talked to him about the gas pipe. He wants me to give him a price on cleaning it up for the guy. I don't have time to do that today. Well, we got the gas all done. I got it all mortared up in there and put a hanger here, hanger here. Electrician just left, and so it should fire up. I'm gonna pick up my stuff yet. Long flipping day. Yeah. It's almost 3 o'clock. Go check, make sure the thermostat's turned up. It's gonna smoke the house out there. Might be some smoke in the house. It's got it set at 70. Put it on 80 for now and hold. I'm gonna have to open some windows. We're gonna get a little smoky in here. forget there's air in it. There's probably air in the line. I just ran all this new gas pipe, so Houston, we have ignition. We're gonna run it for a bit. Make sure it don't smoke the house out. Oh, the smoke alarm's right there. You can smell it. Alright, I got it back down to 70. Picking up my stuff. Didn't come out bad. Not bad at all. I gotta talk to him about cleaning up that gas pipe. I just didn't have time to do it today. That water heater needs attention.